How to delete your Cash App account. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Cash App account. So first of all, you can go to the very Google Play Store or App Store and install the Cash App on your device if this very application is available in your area. If it is not, then you cannot do that. So if you have a Cash App account anyway, then how you can delete is simply open the Cash App application. After you open the Cash App, what you can do is go to the very three vertical dots and scroll very down, and you can simply tap on delete your account. But before that, make sure you transfer all your money to some other bank accounts, and if you have any bank accounts linked with your Cash App, then you can simply unlink them. You do that all, then you can simply delete your account. If you cannot find the delete your account option, tap on report a problem option. Then you can simply tap on how to delete my account option, or you can also go to the help center and simply delete your account using the credential, using all the informations right there. Follow the steps and your Cash App will be deleted no time. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below. Thank you for watching.